What's up, my people? It's your boy Victor Isibo once again. First timers to this YouTube channel, I make reviews of make money online and offline opportunities. If stuff like this is what brings you to YouTube, I want to invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Ensure you turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute like in the military. It's a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. The thumbnail says that you can make 150,000 naira on a monthly basis from this website, and we are going to find out together. Now today we're reviewing VTUexpress.com, and we are right here on their website. Now let us do justice to this. Okay? Now they said refer. The first thing they're saying is refer people to VTU Express and earn $500 immediately the person upgrade its or her account to affiliate or top user. Bars. Now referral is the hardcore backbone of any business, and that's why VTU Express is putting it top of their website that you should refer and you will get a commission from the upgrades. Okay, you can register for free. Okay, but as you upgrade to affiliate and of course to top users, you are going to be earning more discounts. Okay, it is going to be discounted even for those that just register on this website only. They are enjoying discounts on their airtime and their data. Okay, the discounts are going to be bigger as you upgrade. Okay, and just below here you will find my referral link, which you can find in the description of this video in the pinned comment if you want to register on VTU Express, so that you can really get on board. Why is it an issue to review this website? Data is very important to all categories of people. People who have jobs need data to do their jobs. People who are jobless, they need data to be jobless. Hello? Because joblessness is when you are on social media from morning till night gossiping about celebrities. Oh boy, if you see Davido new car, it is data that you will need to use to see it. Davido is better than Wizkid. You need data to do all those things. It's joblessness, but you still need data. So data is very, very important. As a matter of fact, jobless people spend more money on data than people that have jobs. You know, even my old parents now, they are always buying data. My dad will wear his glasses, say, my WhatsApp is not, it is data is using. So everybody needs data. It's an emerging market. It's a huge market, and with a potential of money making opportunities in the telecom industry, it is huge. Okay, so now you can see right here that they have an application on the Google Play Store. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video where I give you my counterpunch. Now, the website is so robust that they have frequently asked questions for those on the affiliate package, top user package, and the API users as well. And here is where they are telling you that if you love to have your own personal customized VTU website, you will find the details where the arrow goes. Make sure you wait and listen to my counterpunch at the end of this video. Another feature here is that you find out that when you sign up, you are automatically assigned 2 bank accounts. Okay, Wema Bank. When you want to fund this account, you need to fund your VTU Express account before you can buy data, before you can buy airtime. So when you register, 2 bank accounts are automatically assigned to you. You have the Wema Bank, and of course you have the Fidelity Bank. And as you can see, for both there's a 50 naira charge when you're funding. So for instance, if you are funding 1,000 naira, 950 is going to show up here. So if you need 1,000 naira in your VTU Express account, take into cognizance this 50 naira charge by making sure you recharge 1,050 naira so that 1,000 naira arrives here. And the beautiful thing about this account is that if you are looking to get paid by anybody, or somebody wants to send you money and it is airtime or data you want to use the money to buy, instead of them sending it to your traditional bank account where you will now have to start buying airtime and there are lots of charges, just give them this your VTU account, Fidelity account. Any money paid into this account, boom, is coming directly into your VTU Express account. That's innovative and it's awesome. Still interacting with the website. Let's scroll up and you see they have both a DM where you can chat with a customer service person, and they also have a community on WhatsApp where you can interact with other users, learn from them how they are monetizing this. Okay, how they are monetizing this and how they are making a lot of money from airtime vendoring. See, these are the features of the things you can do on this website. Airtime top up, you buy data, you pay electricity bill, cable subscription, bonus wallet, bulk SMS. Then you also keep track of your referrals, all on this website. So really quickly now, let me interact with top left corner menu so that we'll look at the pricing, and after that I'll give you my counterpunch about this particular website. Let's click on pricing. Now these are the pricings of different airtimes, varying. You have the smart user, those who sign up for free. Then those who upgrade to affiliate, you have different features. Okay, now let us look at MTN data, for instance. Now you see MTN 500 megabytes, smart users, they have to pay 135 naira, affiliates 130 naira, then top user 125 naira. Then you have the API user who pays 120 naira. So there are discounts for you as you upgrade. Okay, if you register for free, you are a smart user, then you need 2,000 naira to upgrade to affiliate and 5,000 naira to upgrade to top user. As you upgrade your free account from affiliate to top user, you are going to be getting enormous discounts on all of their products that are already discounted. They are discounting the discount because if you are a data user, you are a large data consumer like me, then you want to break out of the norm. You want to start having some discount when you are buying data. Imagine you going for 10 gigabytes data for just 2,500 naira. Okay, and if you upgrade to affiliate, you are buying it for 2,460 naira. And if you're a top user, it is 2,420. If you're an API user, is when they have customized your own website for you, then you can be getting it for 2,370 naira. You have for Glow as well, where you can get 12.5 gigabytes, for 3,660 naira. 5 gigabytes for 1,325 naira with massive discounts from affiliate to top user, and the same thing for 9 mobile as well. Let us go back to the dashboard, and I'm going to be preparing for my counterpunch about this website and the possibility of actually making some good money from this. Very quickly, let me quickly highlight this one. Upgrading to affiliate is 2,000 naira. Upgrading to top user is 5,000 naira. And of course, let me counterpunch. Airtime is very important, and data really, really, really important. I mean, you cannot even be watching this video right now if you didn't have some data. Okay, and we are at an age whereby opportunities and your progress in life could be tied to whether you have airtime or not. Because I know companies that if they want to give you contract or they want to employ you, they might decide to call you via WhatsApp. People think that there should be times when you switch off your data. No. When you are talking about switching off data, it's like you saying that there should be times where you switch off the network on your phone. Maybe when you want to sleep at night, fine. But there are a lot of people that they are so stingy with their airtime that if they send you hi on WhatsApp, before you say hello, they have already switched off their data. And you will have to now carry your phone and call them, say, oh boy, you told me hi, I have said hello, it's showing that you are not online, I dey manage my airtime. No, now there are some things that you should be able to have at all points in time, so that you will not be missing out on opportunities. So companies like VTU Express gives you the opportunity to buy data for small money. And when you are buying this data for small money, it's an opportunity for you to make a profit when you sell it to people for the normal price. Okay, that is why you see a lot of young aspiring entrepreneurs out there. You see different graphic designs with their names. Like me now, my own can be Vicsato Telecommunications. 500 megabytes for 130 naira. I'll just do the listing, put MTN logo, Glow logo, 9 Mobile logo, and I am in business. Instead of me writing rubbish and putting on my WhatsApp status, I'll just wake up in the morning and put my VTU advert up there. A lot of you belong to many WhatsApp groups that have plenty of people. And when you want to write there, it's either you are writing a joke. What is funny? Why are you posting a joke when you are broke? Hello? You are broke, you are writing joke. A broke man should not be joking. Instead of you to be writing on that group, I am into VTU business. Design a write-up. The data, the cost you are selling it. So and so data, this is the cost I am selling it. People will patronize you. Because you are buying cheap from a website like this, you'll be able to sell higher to other people. Checking of WAEC results, NAPTEB results, NECO results, paying of utility bills, NEPA, DSTV, cable subscription, you are going to be in business. Hello? Your phone will become your office, and you have the potential of earning even more than 150,000 naira, like it's written on the thumbnail, if you upgrade your business and you improve your clientele. Okay? They say your network is your net worth. So when you increase your network and you're reaching out to more people, telecommunication is like the new oil well. So yes, you can make 150,000 naira and above monthly if you're doing airtime business and you're buying for cheap on a website like this and you're selling for yourself. So you'll find in the description of this video a link for you to get on board VTU Express, and also in the pinned comments. I advise that when you register, upgrade to affiliate, upgrade to top user, because that way your data cost will be even cheaper, much more cheaper than the free package. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, and of course please share this video within your social media community, and of course please subscribe. And you guys may counterpunch in the comment section below. Let me see what your thoughts are. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.